Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will be dealing with approximation of numbers. Approximation. I'm Ayodele Adebayo. So without further ado, let's dive into the lesson of the day, which requests that we approximate the following numbers to two decimal places. Two decimal places. That is the first thing to take note of. All right. Now I want to approximate question 1, 2, and 3 to two decimal places. As you can see, question number 1, has got a whole number and then decimal. With 3 decimal numbers. Okay. Question number 2, the number is in 3 decimal places. Question number 3 in 3 decimal places. So what we are requested to do is to approximate each of the numbers to 2 decimal places. And like I said, we want to approximate these 3 into 2, which means we should be left with this and this. Okay, at the end of the day, we shouldn't have the third. Here as well, we should have everything rounded up to 2 decimal places. We should be left with 2 numbers here. Should be left with 2 numbers here. We should be left with 2 numbers here. Okay, and so we apply the approximation principle. How do we do that? We consider the very number to the right of the requirement. The requirement is 2 decimal places. Okay, so this number, is it up to 5? If it is greater than or equal to 5, we round it up to 1 and then we add to this. Okay, but if it is less than 5, it is greater than or equal to 5, we round it up to 1 and add to this. But if it is less than 5, we round it down to 0 and add to the immediate number to the left. Okay, so now let's take a look at this. Now 6 is greater than 5. So what we'll do is, like coming to the solution, we are rounding this up to 1. It becomes 1 plus 7. Okay, 1 plus 7 is 8. So these two have been approximated to 8. So that's how we got 4.28. So question number 1 has been approximated into 2 decimal places. Okay, this is a whole number with 2 decimal places. Okay, all right, so let's go to explanation for number 2. This is the number to determine how we approximate these 3 into 2 decimal places. So what do? 3 is less than 5. Because it is less than 5, we round it up to 0. And then we add it to 8. Okay, that is why here we got 0 plus 8 is 8. And so our answer is 1.08. Okay. Now let's go to question number 3. 21.638. So this is the determining factor. It is greater than 5, so we round it up to 1. Okay, and then add it to 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. That's why here we got 6, 21.64. Okay, very straightforward and simple. Just understand the principle and you're sure to get the answer correctly. Again, in recap, the question is 4.276. This number is in 3 decimal places, and we are requested to round this number to 2 decimal places. If you are rounding it to 2 decimal places, it means you are going to be left with this and this. Meanwhile, to round this to round it down to 1 or round it up to 1, we consider the last number to this. And then if this is greater than 5, we round it up to 1 plus 7, so we got 8. So we got 4.28. That's how we arrived at this. The same principle here. 3 is less than 5, so we round it down to 0. 0 plus 8 is 8, so we've got 1.08. Okay. 21.638. 8 is greater than 5, so we round it up to 1 and then add to this, and so we got 21.64. As you can see, mathematics is not magic. Understand the principle and you are sure to get your answer correctly. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel so you will always get notified whenever we produce valuable videos like this. So thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Bye.